How to use Google Analytics for stronger social media reporting. Why use Google Analytics for social media measurement? Google Analytics isn't just about numbers, it's about actionable insights. Here are 3 compelling reasons why every social media marketer should use it. 1. Optimize funnel strategies. Social media plays a crucial role at every stage of the customer journey, from raising brand awareness to driving conversions. At the top of the funnel, metrics like impressions, clicks, and time spent on your site can help measure brand visibility. Meanwhile, the mid to bottom funnel focuses on actions like signups, downloads, and purchases. Google Analytics bridges the gap between these stages, showing how social efforts contribute to the larger picture. 2. Align metrics with business goals. Likes and comments are nice, but are they driving traffic to your site? Are they converting into leads or sales? Google Analytics connects social media metrics with KP, like bounce rates, conversion rates, and session durations, ensuring your campaigns support overarching business objectives. 3. Understand your target audience. Knowing your audience is half the battle. With Google Analytics, you can dive into demographics, interests, and online behaviors. This insight empowers you to create content that truly resonates and tailor your campaigns for maximum impact. How to set up Google Analytics for social media reporting. Getting started with Google Analytics is simpler than you might think. Follow these steps to unlock its full potential. 1. Define your goals. Before diving in, ask yourself key questions. Which platforms drive the most traffic? How are users interacting with my site after arriving via social media? What campaigns or posts are generating the highest engagement? These questions will help you set smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely goals for your social strategy. 2. Set up data collection. Create a GA4 property. In the admin panel, set up a new property tailored to your business needs. Add data streams, connect your website or app using Google Tag Manager, or embed tracking codes directly. Configure conversion events. Identify and track key actions, such as form submissions, purchases, or downloads. These will help measure the success of your social media campaigns. Key social media insights to track in Google Analytics. Once your setup is complete, it's time to start tracking valuable insights that will shape your strategy. 1. Audience demographics. Use the demographics details report to identify your audience's age, gender, location, and interests. With this information, you can create more personalized and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. 2. User acquisition from social channels. Analyze where your website traffic originates. The user acquisition report focuses on new visitors, while the traffic acquisition report tracks all users. This distinction helps you pinpoint which platforms drive the most value. 3. Website engagement. Are users sticking around once they land on your site? Use the Pages and Screens report to understand metrics like average time on page, bounce rates, and navigation paths. These insights allow you to improve the user journey and keep visitors engaged longer. 4. Conversions and conversion paths. Track how social media contributes to your goals. The conversion reports measure actions like purchases or signups, while the conversion path reports highlight the journey users take before converting. This data reveals which social platforms and strategies deliver the best ROI. Presenting your social insights effectively. Numbers alone won't impress your stakeholders. It's about how you present them. Here's how to make your social insights impactful. Highlight key metrics like engagement, traffic, and conversions to showcase success. Use visuals, infographics, and storytelling to make complex data accessible and actionable. Provide clear recommendations based on trends, like reallocating budget to high-performing platforms or refining underperforming campaigns. Final thoughts: elevating your social strategy with Google Analytics. Google Analytics is more than a tracking tool. It's a game changer for social media managers. By measuring audience behavior, aligning your efforts with business goals, and tracking campaign performance, you can build a data-driven strategy that delivers real results. Ready to elevate your social media reporting? Start leveraging Google Analytics today and unlock new opportunities for growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable tips from the Online Marketing Academy. See you in the next video.